Welcome to Edtube. Get the latest sports updates and global news right here. Subscribe, like, share, and comment to stay connected with all things sports. Faith Kipyegon has accomplished it once more. She has broken the Olympic record and won her third gold medal in the women's 1,500 meter. Kenya is the sole African country to secure 4 gold medals at Paris 2024. Kisanet Woldemichael has achieved a remarkable feat by winning 3rd place among the women in the 80 km road race at the 2024 Paris competition. This race includes both male and female competitors, and Kisanet's achievement in this prestigious Lorraine road race highlights her outstanding performance. Nathaniel Tesfat Sion and Emmanuel Gebri Exayabihar are competing today in Spain. Eritrean athletes Nathaniel Tesfat Sion and Emmanuel Gebri Exayabihar are participating in the Circuito de Getxo Memorial Hermanos Oxoa race, which will take place on Sunday, August 11th. Gilles Docks and Miwail Gourmet finished in the leading group at the Tour de Namur, securing another top 10 finish for the team. Desai Island is a hidden gem of breathtaking beauty in the Daulak archipelago. Nestled between the Zula and Buri peninsulas, it enchants visitors with its pristine beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and lush, untouched landscapes.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to Edtube, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.